Are you tired of working from a cluttered and uncomfortable desk? Do you want to boost your productivity and work more efficiently? With the rise of remote work, finding the perfect computer desk has become more important than ever. A great computer desk can help you stay organized, increase productivity, and even improve your overall health. From standing desks to gaming desks, we've got you covered. Hey everyone. In this video, we will look at the 5 best computer desks in 2023. We have compiled this list based on performance, safety, and price. If you want more product information, I have included links in the description box below. Like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. At number 1 is the Noblewell Computer Desk. Enhance your home office or workspace with a stylish and functional computer desk that offers convenience and organization. With its sleek design and versatile features, this computer desk is a perfect addition to any modern setting. Featuring multiple colors to choose from, including black, vintage, and brown, this desk allows you to personalize your space to match your aesthetic preferences. The inclusion of a CPU stand ensures that your computer tower stays securely in place, while the monitor stand riser brings your screen to eye level, reducing strain on your neck and eyes. One of the standout features of this desk is the multi-function open shelf. This shelf provides ample storage space for your CPU, books, documents, or other office supplies, keeping your workspace neat and organized. The sliding keyboard tray design frees up valuable desk space, allowing for comfortable typing and improved ergonomics. Crafted with high-quality wood and supported by sturdy metal legs and X-shaped frames, this desk is built to last. The adjustable table foot pads not only enhance stability but also protect your floors from scratches and damage. Measuring 47 inches in length, 19 inches in width, and 34 inches in height, this computer desk offers a generous workspace without taking up excessive room. Whether you have a home office, bedroom, study room, or studio, this desk is a versatile solution that meets your needs. Assembly is a breeze with the provided clear and detailed instructions, ensuring a hassle-free setup. Invest in this computer desk and transform your workspace into a functional and organized environment that promotes productivity and creativity. At number 2 on the list is the Ingre Computer Desk. With its large tabletop and additional storage options, this desk offers ample space to accommodate your laptop, PC, keyboard, and daily necessities. Featuring 2 tiers of open shelves, this desk provides extra room for storing books and hosts, ensuring a clutter-free workspace. The 2 hooks on the side offer convenient storage for items like backpacks and headphones, keeping your tabletop organized and maximizing space. Flexibility is a key feature of this desk, with the option to fix the storage shelves on either the left or right side according to your preference. The adjustable top small board allows you to create space for a large computer tower, while the wooden boards fixed on metal bars ensure excellent weight-bearing capacity. This computer desk is not just functional, but also adds a delightful touch to any room decor. The rustic board combined with the dark metal frame creates a charming aesthetic that complements various styles of rooms. Whether it's for study, bedroom, living room, children's room, or office, this desk serves multiple purposes, including as a computer desk, study table, game table, or bookshelf. This desk is designed with your comfort and safety in mind. Crafted with 0.79 inches thick solid wood, it is waterproof and easy to clean. The rounded corner design minimizes the risk of accidental injuries. Additionally, the adjustable feet under the table legs ensure stability on uneven ground while preventing scratches. With a size of 47.2 inches length by 23.6 inches depth by 29.5 inches height, this computer desk offers a spacious work area while remaining compact enough to fit in various settings. Assembly is a breeze with easy-to-follow instructions and all necessary tools provided. Choose this computer desk and create a functional, stylish, and worry-free workspace. At number 3 on our list is the FlexiSpot EG8 Computer Table. Experience the epitome of functionality and style with a cutting-edge computer table that revolutionizes your workspace. This innovative table boasts an array of features that enhance productivity and elevate your work experience. Equipped with an embedded spacious drawer, this computer table ensures easy access to your essentials while maintaining a clutter-free environment. With programmable height presets, achieving the perfect ergonomic position is a breeze. Effortlessly transition from sitting to standing with the press of a button due to the robust motor that smoothly adjusts the table's height from 28.3 inches to 47.6 inches. Find your ideal working position and alleviate strain on your body. The integrated USB charging ports, including a Type-C option, allow you to conveniently charge your devices directly from the desktop. Stay connected and powered up without the hassle of tangled cords. Safety is paramount, and this computer table ensures stability and peace of mind with its safe lock button. Prevent accidental adjustments and stabilize your preferred position with ease. Versatility knows no bounds with its flexible height range, catering not only to adults but also to children. Customizable height presets accommodate different users, making it suitable for the whole family. This all-in-one standing desk exudes elegance and class with its tempered glass tabletop. Not only does it offer a modern aesthetic, but it also guarantees safety, comfort, and durability with its rounded edges. Furthermore, the desk's thoughtful design includes a convenient pull-out drawer seamlessly integrated into the desktop. Store your home office supplies within arm's reach, keeping your workspace tidy and efficient. In conclusion, this feature-rich computer table transcends the boundaries of ordinary desks. Elevate your work environment, enhance productivity, and embrace a new level of sophistication with this exceptional piece of furniture. Discover the perfect blend of form and function, where style meets practicality. At number 4 is the JSumgo Computer Desk. This exceptional piece of furniture, with its array of features, will elevate your productivity and organization to new heights. One of the standout features is the reversible storage shelves. Designed to adapt to your preferences, these shelves can be fixed on the left or right side of the desk. With 4 tiers of bookshelves, you'll have ample space to store books, office supplies, and other accessories, ensuring everything is within reach for convenient usage. The innovative design includes a flexible height board. Whether you need to accommodate a computer host or prefer to showcase books or potted plants, you can easily adjust the height of the third storage shelf to meet your specific needs. This upgraded feature adds versatility and functionality to your workspace. Stability is paramount, and this desk delivers on that front as well. The X-shaped bracket forms multiple stable triangles, reinforcing the stressed areas of the desk. Additionally, the bookshelf is equipped with baffles to prevent items from falling. By ensuring the frame is securely tightened, you can enjoy a stable and reliable workspace. The desk's generous dimensions of 47 inches in length and 23 inches in width provide a comfortable working and study space. Whether placed in a bedroom as a stylish dressing table or in a compact apartment to optimize storage for study and work, this desk offers versatility and functionality in any setting. In conclusion, this multi-purpose computer desk redefines efficiency and organization. With its reversible storage shelves, adjustable height board, stability-enhancing design, and spacious desktop, it effortlessly combines style with practicality. Transform your workspace into a haven of productivity and creativity with this exceptional piece of furniture. Experience the perfect blend of form, function, and convenience, and take your work and study experience to new heights. At number 5 on the list is the ODK Computer Desk. Experience the ultimate blend of functionality and comfort with a remarkable computer desk designed to enhance your productivity and provide ergonomic support. This exceptional piece of furniture seamlessly integrates various features to optimize your work and gaming experience. One of the standout features is the raised monitor stand. This home office desk ensures a comfortable viewing angle, preventing neck and backache. The spacious design accommodates 2 monitors and other accessories, while the storage space under the monitor stand is perfect for organizing books, pens, and other items. Enhancing your gaming and working experience, this desk boasts a pull-out keyboard tray with smooth metal slides. This tray is suitable for both keyboards and mouse, offering convenience and efficiency. Additionally, the 2 side drawers provide ample storage for books, office supplies, or gaming equipment, ensuring a tidy and organized workspace. This work table is equipped with a CPU stand and open shelves, offering abundant storage space. The removable middle shelf can serve as a 2-tier bookshelf or a CPU stand, depending on your preference. The open shelf is ideal for storing storage boxes, books, and music-making equipment, keeping everything within reach. Sturdiness and stability are key attributes of this writing table. Crafted with waterproof and scratch-resistant MDF and supported by a high-quality metal frame, this desk is built to last. Adjustable leg pads ensure stability on uneven floors, preventing wobbling during typing, writing, or gaming sessions. Assembling this desk is a breeze due to the detailed instruction manual and provided screwdriver. Clear instructions and labeled parts make the assembly process easier and more efficient. In conclusion, this feature-rich computer desk revolutionizes your workspace. From the raised monitor stand to the pull-out keyboard tray, drawers, CPU stand, and open shelves, every aspect of this desk is designed with your convenience and productivity in mind. So that's all about computer desks in 2023. If you think we have left valuable computer desk, please leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe.